This is the SOG S61, which comes with the L leather pouch. This is the SOG PowerLock EOD in all the stainless steel. I have it opened up right now so you can see the nice needle nose head, the wire cutters in there, the nice features of the scissors, the serrated, half serrated blade. The other side has the nail file. Your big jagged saw blade there. And there's your Phillips head screwdriver, bottle opener, pick, which easily just collapse into themselves and close. That way you can have the nice needle nose ready to go. And again, with just one push of the button, we swivel that around. Shows you the nice closed position, which easily just inserts right here into the leather sheath. Has the nice snap, and it is ready to go. The SOG 61L.